Let's now take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath for our guided meditation. Let's breathe in. And as you exhale, let your body relax. And let us just mentally scan the body, consciously letting go of tensions held in the body, becoming aware of the feet. You've been using those feet a lot, I bet, this week. Let your feet relax. Just have that intention. Relax. You might notice your feet starting to let go. Very subtle. Feel your feet relaxing. Becoming aware of the calves. And relax your calves. Relax and let go. Become aware of your knees. Relax. Relax the thighs. Allow your pelvic area to relax and let go. Relax the buttocks. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Let go and relax. Relax your hands, your fingers, your forearms, your biceps, your shoulders. Relax and let go. Relax your chest and your back. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Bring your awareness to your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides. Relax and let go. Move your awareness into your jaw, relaxing the muscles in your jaw. Your cheeks relaxing, your eyes relaxing back in the sockets. Relaxing your whole face, forehead, nose, lips, tongue, ears. All those cool parts we have. Relax and let go. Relax your scalp. Doesn't that feel good to just relax and let go? From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Notice any part of your body that still may feel a little tight. Just tense and relax. Let go. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Just let yourself be here now. Relaxing and being receptive. Turning attention to that inner place where you and spirit are one. Just like the waves an expression of the ocean, you are an expression of the ocean of spirit, the ocean of God. Expressing in and as you right now. This is your true nature. That ocean is life, living you. Life that causes your heart to beat, your breath to flow. That is ever seeking to heal you mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically. In each moment, your body is healing itself, renewing itself. And you live in, move, and have your being in that life energy. That presence and activity. By whatever name we might call it. God, Jehovah, Father, Mother, the Tao, Brahman, Great Spirit. It's beyond name and form. But it's something we can experience. It is us. It is us. We are it. It is being you. Right here and right now. You are spirit. Jesus called God is spirit. Those who worship God must worship in spirit and in truth. In other words, don't just talk about God. Don't just read books about God, even the Bible. Don't just read it, or the Tao Te Ching, or the Bhagavad Gita. Don't just read books. Worship in spirit and in truth. Get in touch with something that's in you and as you. Feel it. Let it move you. Let it inspire you. Let it bubble up within you as peace, as joy, as healing life, as strength. What quality are you in need of today? What quality of this presence would you like to experience and express more of in your life? Well, that quality is inside of you right now. Seeking to express more fully through and as you. Just be receptive to it within yourself. Identify with it. I am whole, well, and strong. Identify with it. I am creative. I am prosperous. I am peaceful. Full of peace. This is our true spiritual nature, our true spiritual essence. Whatever good qualities we can imagine. I invite you now to internalize your awareness more now. By watching your breathing, and as your breath flows in, mentally think the words, I am, and as your breath flows out, spirit. I am on the inhalation, spirit on the exhalation. I am spirit. And now let's take a nice long deep breath. And just rest in stillness. Notice whatever you might be feeling within, or whatever might be drawing your attention within. Just be present to it in the quiet now, in the silence. Now give a color to this inner presence within you. Imagine it filling you as light, radiating forth from you, touching everyone around you, healing, uplifting friends and family and loved ones, and moving forward, moving outward, expanding outward to touch our whole planet. Every person on the planet. Embracing the earth with light, healing, love, peace. All the animals, all the people everywhere. And we behold the Christ, the God presence, the divinity in every person. And all our friends and family. And that presence is always whole, complete. And we're grateful for this awareness. And now let us bring our awareness back to our body, moving toes, fingers, feeling the chair beneath us, being aware of our environment. We let this consciousness, this new awareness, unfold through us in this day. And so it is. Thank you, Father, Mother, God.
Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.